Kia ora, I'm Jinnete. I'm from New Zealand. I came to Rishikesh for the Nath Yogshala 200-hour yoga teacher training, and it's been amazing. Like, just right from just coming here and like learning about yoga and like going through the practice, it's been incredible. I thought coming here would be a lot of really hard asanas and I'd be practicing physical yoga all day, when actually I come here and it's meeting me where I'm at, and I'm meeting the knowledge, and it's filling me up, and the philosophies and the people and all the adventures we've had. We've seen waterfalls, caves, temples, and yeah, it's been amazing. I really loved it, all of it. So if anyone's keen on becoming a yoga teacher or just getting more in touch with what it is to be a yogi, this is what it is to be a yogi. You're connecting with God and the cosmos, and you're using your body and all of your energy, and you're flowing with it, and you're healing, and it's a really beautiful experience. So thank you so much.